you established leaders of India and the world at large, to stand with us today here on the ground of Sanapati at this historic moment for all of us. We acknowledge the blood, the sweat and the tears involved as we undertake this Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra. The blood of self-sacrificing love for the people, the sweat of the physical strain involved in this yatra, and the tears of yet to be achieved good intentions for India. The Sanapati District Congress Committee and the general public of Sanapati extends our prayers, our blessings for your journey ahead. So that Almighty God may shower upon you health, wisdom, strength to serve the people of the country and for the peace and brotherhood of all nations. Thank you, Rahul ji, for coming to Sanapati, Manipur, and we hope you proceed with pleasant memories, and please do visit us again.
The presentation led by the President of District Congress Committee, Mr. Spasiba. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So the lunch will be followed at the Lakes and National Memorial Mini Stadium, Kabul ka lunch to follow the east. Kabul City lunch to Pati yang bawah bayana. Sabi na dapat